Alright, this is just one of those must-see things. You know, the sky's been dark all day and you can see the wind gusting. I mean, 3 chained off steel linkages weren't enough to keep that tree up. We're told it's uprooted. It won't take hold. No, see, all day long, take a look over there. That's directly west, about 30 miles north of Sacramento. It's blue. And then you got these dark clouds. And then there's HAARP. There it is. And, you know, I hope this Reverend Michelle sees this. Look at that frequency. I call it, I've heard them fly all day. Look at, the clouds are moving at the wind, but the chemtrail isn't. This is the best evidence I've ever seen with the sun right in my eye. And I hope this iPhone's picking it up. The jet left a trail. The wind is blowing the clouds. I guess it would be cumulus. But do you see the sonic waves of, I don't know what to call them. I'm not an expert. I just call them like a catfish vertebrae. Anybody ever went catfishing and skinned a catfish and you seen its vertebrae? It's like that. See it? Now watch the cloud. Just watch this. Here goes, I guess, a cumulus cloud. It's been a while. I'm getting old since I had science. This cloud's going to blow right past that. And this scattered type of stuff isn't moving at all. But it's going to, that wave is now moved over here. Just within, what's it been, 2 minutes? I can't see the lens finder. It's moved over there. So it's getting hit with microwave, I guess. And then what it's doing, see now, what was a hole before is now filled in. I'll show you another example. Let's look directly east towards Beale Air Force Base. It's totally like dropping down. I think she calls it dross. I hope someone will correct me if I'm wrong. See, from north all the way to east, it's just lower level ugly. But if you go up, it's the same thing. You will see the clouds moving at a very rapid pace. And then behind them, if you catch it at the right moment, see that glow over there? That's not the sun. Because the sun, it's about what, almost noon? Matter of fact, there's the sun right there. So what's that glow over there in the east? So you will see, trying to make this make sense, you will see the waves form these unhealthy patterns, and I actually probably shouldn't even be out here. It's just for the greater good, you know. Look at that. The end result is, as I understand it, is that we have facilities, and you know, one of them's in Alaska, and they fire up these microwave beams. Look, do you see where? Look at where those waves were. These clouds are just blowing in, literally almost blowing. Look at that tree. To just give you an idea of the strength of the wind. You know, you film long enough, you'll catch something. This is what I call extremely unstable, and I believe it to be man-made. Some people will call me crazy and an idiot and delusional. Look at, see this stuff? But I'm telling you, the proof is in the pudding. The last time I was out here doing this, 5 tornadoes hit. Remember I said that, because where those sine waves were, now is just an incredible amount of wind just generating. I'd put this wind at about 40 miles an hour. I've gotten pretty good at this. Check my other videos. Give give you an idea. I may upload this, I may not. Now look, the hole's back. As the media calls it a punch hole cloud, and here comes the birds. Matter of fact, there's a bird in my pool. You just see a bird in the pool, I see a sign of something. See those clouds over there? That tree is done. Sad. We've had that tree 5 years. 7 years. Sorry. We've had that tree 7 years. The wind got it. That's how bad it is. And this ain't Kansas. See the birds? This ain't Kansas. It's California. Remember that when you respond from, you know, Ghana or whatever. I'm not in Ghana. Peace.